Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Eye Protection. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change this mode's intensity. You can set a schedule for it, for example from sunset to sunrise, or just set it for a custom time where you can select start time and end time for yourself. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.